Hey y'all, what's up? It's me, Keita, one half of Diversity University, and I'm coming back to you today with another mukbang. Today, I have cucumbers, sausage, and rice. Ooh, and I'm so excited. I got the diversity sauce, and I got egg over here, just because I like the egg, the boiled egg, and the sauce. And I got some lemon, just to see. So y'all, I'm so excited because I'm so hungry. And I've been hearing everybody talk about this meal, and I have yet to try it, so I'm like super excited. Let me get this thumbnail in real quick. Alright. Alright, so I'm about to try this right now. I got a little spoon, because I'll be seeing, let me see. So, how's everybody doing today? I hope everybody is having a wonderful, wonderful day. I'm hungry, y'all, so I'm going to get right up into this. Hey, but make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. And if you're not new to the channel, then welcome back. So I'm about to go ahead and try this, y'all. Okay. Y'all. That's good. Who tried this combination? I know, like, Eat with Kim, she started it and everybody was like on it. Yeah, so I see why, because it's good. I think I'm gonna try it with a little lemon though. I got the lemon. I got the lemon because I like it on my egg when I dip the sauce in there. But I'm about to try it on this combination. So let me see what that's like, y'all. Let me get. I'm like real close, y'all. It's good with the lemon too, y'all. And to drink, I got a bottle of water. Real cold and refreshing. I got a topic today, y'all, because I'm kind of mad. And I need y'all, and the person I'm mad at trying to tell me I shouldn't be mad. But I'm mad. So I want to know what y'all think, but I'm going to eat some first. It's hot. And y'all hear some background noise. There's door. My door is open. This is good. This is really good, you guys. I'm back y'all up. Alright. This is like really good. That egg. There's nothing like that egg in that sauce, y'all. I know, for real. And that is bomb. I'm all over the place with this, y'all. This is so good. Like, for real, y'all. If y'all have not tried this, I don't know what y'all waiting on. See what I'm saying? Outside. My daughter outside, so I got the door open. I guess I shouldn't have filmed the video in the front, but I'm like, man. I'm gonna put some more lemon. I like it with the lemon, y'all. I seen Flavor Eats. When she did hers, she had raw onion with it. I don't know. I'm not too much of a fan of raw onion, but maybe like it's onions in my sauce. You know what I'm saying? If I grilled them or sauteed them or something, I probably would eat it with that, because that's probably good. I'm gonna put that extra butter sauce on there. Oh shoot, dropping cucumbers. How's everybody been doing? What y'all eating? I'm not even gonna say what day it is, because I don't know what day this video gonna come out. But it's a good day. Yeah, it's delicious, delicious. Stuff falling, y'all. Y'all want some? Y'all want some of that? Look at that. Oh. Cucumber, you know, you gotta get a bite of the cucumber now. There you go. There you go. Oh, this is so good. So bomb, so bomb. I'm gonna take another bite, and then I'm gonna tell y'all why I'm mad, and see what y'all think. See how y'all feel about this situation. Delicious. Alright, y'all. So this is why I am kind of upset. And I want y'all to tell me what y'all think about this. Like, for real. So, my friend, she found out that she was pregnant. Now, I want y'all to tell me, should I be mad or should I not be mad? And be honest and leave it in the comments, because I'm kind of mad and I'm like, damn. So anyway, my homegirl, she found out she was pregnant, and she told me, you know what I'm saying, that she was very excited, her and her husband, and they were excited about the baby or whatever, and they got 2 kids, and she was saying like she had never had a gender reveal party. And I'm like, well, what? Like, girl, I'm about to plan you a gender reveal party. You know what I'm saying? And she's like, okay, cool. I know my hand was like all in my face. Anyway, I'm like, she's like, okay, cool. So I'm like, well, when do you find out what the sex is going to be? And she told me the date of her appointment or whatever. And I'm like, okay. So I'm just going to give you an envelope, have the doctor put what the baby is, the sex of the baby, in an envelope, and I'm going to give it to you for when you do the party. So I'm like, okay, cool. Now, we have scheduled the party to be September 15th. It was a day. I'm going to get a party. So, I booked the hall. Or not a hall. It was like, it was a conference room. I booked it. And for that date, September 15th, she asked me, could she start inviting people? I'm like, yeah. And I told her, like, I'm going to get some invitations or whatever to invite everyone formally, you know. So she like, okay, cool, you know. So my birthday came around. I was like, I've been really busy for the last couple months. A lot of stuff that happened in the last 2 months, and I've been busy. But the party in September. So what happened these last months in July and August ain't got nothing to do with September. So she calls me yesterday, and she like, no, first she texted me. She texted me, that's what she did. No. She texted me yesterday. I'm like, hey, what's the date of the gender reveal party? It's the 15th, right? And I'm like, yeah. So she like, oh, well, me and my husband found out the sex of the baby last week. Say what now? I'm confused. I mean, because I know I didn't just read what I thought I read. Maybe something went wrong and the texts are mixed up and this is someone else texting me like, what? You so I text back and I said, you what? You found out the sex of the baby? She like, yeah, man, like, I just couldn't wait and blah, blah, blah. And so I call her. And I'm like, hey, what's up now? Tell me what you're saying to me. Like, because I understand. I need to hear it. You know what I'm saying? Like, So she like, yeah, girl, but, you know, I was peer pressured because my husband really wanted to know and blah, 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 blah. Yeah. I'm sure that I know when I was pregnant with my kids that knowing the sex of the baby was really big. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, duh. That's why I was planning a whole party, because I know that is a big thing. Like, hello? So I'm like, are you for real? Like, she's like, yeah, I'm so sorry. It's a boy, blah, 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 blah. But we can still, like, you know what I'm saying? We can still have a gender reveal party. I can just act surprised. You know I'm a good actress. What? A good actress? So now I'm just, like, really upset. Because I feel like that's messed up. Like, I was planning a whole party for you. And you find out it's not that baby. Damn it. So he's like, well, we could still have a party, just make it a baby shower. Ma'am. If I wanted to throw you a baby shower, I'd have said, I'm going to throw you a baby shower. That ain't what I said, because that ain't what I wanted to do. I'm going to throw you a gender reveal party. I just don't understand where it went wrong. Hello? I just feel like, I don't know. I'm very upset. So would y'all be upset? I mean, am I wrong for being upset? Like, cause I mean, I get it. That's a big thing. You wanted to know the sex of your baby. I get that. I'm a mom too. When I was pregnant, I couldn't wait to find out. But I didn't have no one offering to throw me a gender reveal party. I didn't have anyone that already booked a room for my gender reveal party. Or a space, you know what I'm saying, for my gender reveal party. I didn't have none of that. Bitch, you did? What? I mean, so what y'all think? Come on, y'all. Let me know in the comments. Tell me, should I be mad at her? Because I am. I know y'all gonna tell me the truth. So tell me the truth. Because, like, I just couldn't. I was so outdone. So outdone. Like, what do you mean? And she kept saying, I was peer pressured. I was peer pressured. We can act like I don't know. We can act like we don't know what it is, and then we can just still have a gender reveal party. Girl, bye. Because I know as soon as you found out what it was, that it was a boy, you would have told people. I know you had to. So everybody got to put on act, and she's like, we didn't tell nobody. We told like 4 people. What the hell? I'm mad. For real. Shoot. I ain't gonna be offering up my services for people. For them to just, like, I was excited about the damn party. And it wasn't even my damn party. Somebody better hurry up and get pregnant. Right, somebody better, right now, so I can have a gender reveal party September 15th. Like, shoot. I just, goodness gracious. So, yeah. That's the drama in my life right now. Like, shoot. Fred didn't lie to you. Just played you. Played you. Because that's what it is. You played me. I'm excited. Damn it. Really excited though, y'all. Sure. Good, y'all. I have my hand on all in the can. I'm sorry, y'all. Alright. Just happened. I don't know, y'all. I just don't feel like kind of what I don't know what to say, y'all. I'm really upset about it. But yeah, I ain't gonna tell nobody to get over it. Cause shit, she done found out. So yeah, y'all. Just let me know what y'all think. I'm getting full though. It's that rice. Like, oh, look at all that rice I ate. I ate a whole half of that. Like, that right, you know them starches. Yeah, you full. That's one. And then on there's cucumber. I'm gonna dip it in now. That's good too. Yeah. That's good right there. Alright, y'all. I'm full. I'm sure y'all already know. I know y'all know. I'm done eating. Say I'm full. I'm hungry for y'all. I'm trying to eat for y'all. But I'm gonna get ready to get out of here, y'all. Smell this water. All right, you guys. It has been real. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with anyone and everyone. I love you guys so much. Have a great day. Until next time. Peace.